Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Our today's topic is our home. We all need a house to protect us from heat, cold, sun, and rain. A house keeps us safe. Kinds of houses. Early humans lived in caves, or under trees. Sometimes they built houses on the branches of trees. Gradually, humans started making kacha houses. They used grass, leaves, bamboo, mud, and straw to build the house. Kacha houses are not very strong and get damaged easily. We find such houses mostly in villages. Can you tell me, children, what is the postal address written on the packets or letters brought by the courier to your house? Later, the humans learned to build pakka houses. Pakka houses are stronger and long lasting. These are made from bricks, wood, and cement. Today, houses are mostly made from concrete, steel, and iron. Pakka houses include bungalows, multi-storied buildings, and very tall buildings called skyscrapers. You know, children, Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world. It has 163 floors and was built in 2010. Can you tell me what type of a house do you live in and what kind of a roof does it have? Special houses. A tent is a house made of thick fabric called canvas. It can be fixed and removed easily. It is mostly used by military personnel and campers. A caravan is a mobile house on wheels. It can be pulled from place to place by a vehicle. Some caravans are also pulled by animals. A houseboat is a house that floats on water. Most houseboats are well furnished and comfortable to live in. In places that receive heavy rainfall, people build stilt houses. Stilt houses are built high above the ground on wooden poles. The houses have ladders which can be removed at night. Stilt houses protect the people living inside from rains and floods. They have sloping roofs to allow rainwater to drain easily. Can you tell me where in India do you find houseboats and stilt houses? In hilly places, people live in wooden houses. These houses protect them from extreme cold. The sloping roofs allow snow to slide off easily. An igloo is a dome-shaped house made of blocks of ice. Igloos are found in the northern parts of Canada and Greenland, where the land is covered with snow throughout the year. The people living in these houses are called Inuits. Today, most Inuits live in modern houses. They use igloos only while hunting or traveling. Can you tell me, children, how do wooden houses protect the people from cold? And why in hot places people make houses of mud? In South India, People belonging to Toda community make semicircular thatched huts called munds. People who do not have proper homes. Many people do not have proper homes. Some people live in slums. Some live under bridges, and some live in huge pipes near construction sites. Slums are small kacha houses mainly found in cities. Slums develop as people migrate from villages to cities in search of jobs. People who live under bridges and in pipes do not have any protection from heat, cold, and rain. They do not have a proper place to cook food or to sleep. People who do not have proper homes live in extremely poor conditions. They do not have facilities like clean drinking water, toilets, electricity, or medical help. Taking care of our house. We must take care of our house in the following ways. All household things should be kept in the proper place. This will help us to find things easily. The floor of the house should be swept and mopped daily. Cobwebs should be removed from time to time. Can you think why it is important to keep the area around the house clean? The bathroom and washrooms should be kept clean and dry. Garbage should be disposed in a covered dustbin. The dustbins should be cleared every day. The kitchen should be kept free of rotten food that attracts flies and other insects. The drains in the house should be covered to prevent insects and rats from entering the house. Children, can you name any 2 ways in which you can help to keep your house clean? Decorating our house. We can make our house attractive by decorating it. We can use wall paintings, showpieces, or flower pots to decorate the house. Some people make colorful designs called rangoli on the floor. Chalk, colored powder, rice paste, or flowers can be used to make rangoli. People usually make rangoli during festivals or special occasions. Torans are also used to decorate the main entrance of the home. Think of a few things you would use to decorate your house. And during which festival is your house decorated, children? That's all for today. Thank you.